Trippin', we could've been superstars. Ain't happy now, I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars. Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Trade hard with the kid, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. Zodan ran down, call them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate, cause I'm a grin. Yeah, cut those business, KTV. Back door wide open, wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die, time rolling. Bustin' on my opponent, no hair stepping. Crush my arms totally, wood just broke no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage to stay as a cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twilly and Carlin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now